Hey guys, that's PC Card for 1056. This is update number 4, I believe. For the New York City blizzard, heavy snow continues to fall. It is currently 6:03 p.m. So far, we have approximately 4.5 to 5 inches of snow on the ground already. As you can see, I shoveled a lot already, and blizzard conditions are beginning. As you can see, wind's starting to pick up a little bit. The snow obviously is not stopping, and I shoveled this approximately like 5 minutes ago, and it's already snow covered again. So that's how fast the snow is falling. And yeah, that's basically it. And I'll just give you a quick little shot of what my house looks like right now. Yep. All right, guys. This is the blizzard update number 4. Talk to you guys later.